Hi, my name is Irisely. In this quarter, we looked at food and history. Each checkpoint focused on a different food. We focused on the skills of emphasis and connections, selection of evidence, and explanation of evidence. And each checkpoint had a different food, vocabulary, reading, videos, and virtual tour, a map, and two activities, and a checkpoint. Spices started the first trade paths and helped spread culture around the world. But spice markets were noisy, smelly, dusty, and sometimes dangerous. We all cook with spices and reflected on how spices add to our foods today. We learned about how spice plants are designed to keep away those pets that might eat them. The potato is the sustaining food around the world for the poor as well as being the source of the potato chip, one of the world's most popular snack foods. The International Potato Center, located in Peru, says the potato can end world hunger. We learn about hillside farming and crop rotation. Dried codfish become the protein bar of the Viking explorers. Sustainable fishing practice and policies are in place to protect the cod species for today. We learned how sugar was at the root of the slave trade and is currently at the root of child labor in developing countries and the cause of the rise of overweight children in the US. We wrote a letter to Coca Cola, a company that buys a lot of raw sugar for their products, asking them to please boycott sugar plantations that use child labor. For this work, we understand that food can be a cause of unfair treatment and human abuse, that the customer has a voice and the power to boycott and make their own choice in the interest of fair and trade human rights. We also studied coffee and had a coffee clutch where we drank coffee and gossiped after learning about the human rights violations at coffee plantations around the world. How much do you spend on your coffee? What is your coffee culture? What changes can you make to ensure the human rights of workers worldwide? Next, my classmate Lily will talk about her final product.